Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I have some makeup from Laura Geller. Smudge is here. There he is. There he is. Smudge, you want to say hello? Want to say hello? Y'all, I use Laura Geller every day. That's what I basically use, and then I use different things. But Laura Geller is my foundation, and I didn't necessarily need this, but I recently got the app. It's just called Shop, S-H-O-P. There's several that are like that app that when you use it, they bill you, say you buy something for $100, they'll bill you 4 payments of $25. They don't charge you interest. And I forgot where I was checking out, and they had that. And if you sign up for it, they have discounts and stuff. And the other apps that I use, which I can't for the well, there might not be apps, but when you check out at Ulta or Sephora, they're there, and different places that'll save you. They'll just break up your amount into 4 payments that you pay like every 2 weeks. Well, this one was nice because the first payment wasn't due for a couple of weeks, and they have the actual app you get discounts. So anyway, they sent me a thank you, a $35 off. So then you put in your zip code, and then they tell you a couple things that you can get 35% off. $35 off. And there wasn't a big selection, but it said Laura Geller. So I'm like, well, let me go see what Laura Geller has. They had a sale going on. I thought, well, maybe I'll find something. Now here comes blue. Bottoms, bottoms, bottoms. So I'm going to tell you first what I'm wearing. And this is I'm wearing all Laura Geller today. So I do have this Laura Geller eye palette on. This is the Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palettes. And I got this, I'm sure I got this in Boxy. And these are the colors. And I'm wearing that on my eyes. And then on my lips, I am wearing this beautiful lippy. Their lippies are nice. This is in the color Mulberry Street. Okay, blue. He's got a rub all over me. And that's the color. Very, very beautiful color. There is a pattern in this lipstick, if you can see that. Pretty cool. And this is magnetized, and there's fur on it, of course, because blue is here. I like that, the way it closes. And what I wear on my face every day is the baked foundations. So there's Baked, Brighten, and Glow. That's what I have right here. And there's several others. So I'm going to show you what I got, what I bought, and then I'll show you what I'm using. So let's see what's in here. I did cut it open. I haven't really looked at anything. I've had this a little while. I probably should have looked to make sure nothing was broken, but I didn't do that. I'll take everything out. And we'll see. It's a nice bag. Okay, so I got a kit. The Laura's Daily Routine Natural Finish Full Face Kit. So there's 4 pieces in this kit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. There is the kit itself is $76, and it was on sale for $41. No, that's not right. I'm telling you that wrong. It's on sale for $76. That's how much it is, because it's valued at $112, okay? And I paid $41 because that's the $35 off. Okay, so what's in this set is a base and a blush, and I think a highlighter. Let's see what all this stuff is. This is a baked highlighter. This is cute. It's small. I don't know that I've ever had Laura Geller highlighter. I may have. Their baked stuff is so cute. Here comes Camille. They're all coming up. It's adorable. This is how most of their packaging is. There is a mirror on this side, on the other side. So a mirror, but then you can see how much is left. And this is a highlighter. I have a lot of highlighters. I don't really see that this is very, I don't know. I don't see any glitter or anything. I'm not gonna use it right now because I may put that in a future giveaway. It's very nicely packaged. Blue, you can't sit on all these things, lovey. I don't know why he thinks he can do that. This is a $24 value, okay? Why would you want to sit on everything? What's the point of that? The base. Okay, now he's mad at me. Okay. Now he's mad at me. Okay. This is the base, and this is the Baked, Balance, and Brighten. And then I am using the Baked, Brighten, and Glow. There's several different ones. They're all very similar. I've had them all. I think there's 3 or 4. I've had them all, and they're very similar. So this is the color correcting foundation, and it's in Fair, I think is what I got. Fair, yeah. And it comes in lots and lots of colors. And it's very forgiving too. If you end up with the wrong color, you still can probably do pretty well. See how that compact is? On this side is a mirror on the other side, so you can, put your makeup on. And then this is what it looks like. And this is the one that I'm using. This is huge. This was a QVC special that I got a while back. And I have some of these things already, so they last me a long time. This is cracked. It's cracked. It's huge. It's huge. It's cracked. I've dropped it a bunch of times. It is Fair. Fair is the color. This has a mirror on it, but I never took the sticky off of it. You can see the difference. This was, more than 2 in the pan, and I got a great deal on it at the time. I'm sure I showed it to you when I got it. It was like a daily special on QVC. So these are both Fair. And then this is my brush. It's well loved. I do wash it from time to time, and you can't get it back to normal. You can't do it. So what you do with this, see how it's cracked down the center? I mean, a friend of mine had this and the whole thing shattered when she dropped it. And I have lost pieces out of it, as you can see. But it's just powder, and you put it on. I have blush on, but basically it was what I do each day. I just put it on, cover up my shine, and this is my foundation. So you can put on as much or as little as you want. And then I usually put a finishing powder over. I don't have Laura Geller finishing powder, but I have others that I use. So I'm gonna put this back in the package because I don't need it right now. I mean, this I've been using for a long time, and it could last me a lot longer. I know it looks like there's a lot in there, but when you hit the pan, you can't. It's hard to use after you hit the pan. And also in this kit that is valued at well, it's actually, yes, it's valued at $112. Oh, the foundation is $36. Don't ever pay full price, because Laura Geller has sales, and you can find it on QVC, and she's got great sales on her own website, so you can find great stuff there. This is the Baked Blush and Brighten Marbleized Blush, and this is valued at $30. And let's see what I got. This is, does it say a color name? Tropic Hues. Oh, that sounds pretty, doesn't it? Tropic Hues. And I am using a blush right now. Oh, that's pretty. See, so pretty. Tropic Hues. So this is what they look like. Can you see? They're raised, okay. And this is the blush that I've been using for a long time. This is Apricot Berry in the Baked Blush and Brighten. Apricot Berry. And you can see how much I've used of it. There's still more, but I'm gonna hit pan. It won't take me long, and I'll hit pan. They're both very beautiful. So, and then also in this kit, you get a brush. you get their retractable angled Kabuki brush, which I've never had this brush before. This is what they show when they show you how they use things, how they use these products. They use this brush. And okay, I thought there was some instructions or something there, but it's just pretty packaging. It says it's ideal for both loose and pressed powders. Uses travel-friendly tool to add foundation, color, highlight, or contour the face. So this is what it looks like. So you can cover it up when you're done using it. And then this is how it goes. It retracts. So it's beautiful. I've always wanted this brush, never have had this brush. So this is what I'm using now. And it's very soft and beautiful. It's got like the top of it is white. So I will probably start using that very soon. And then this just comes up. And then you can cover it so that it doesn't get messed up in your makeup bag. No, let me see. Oh, when you do that, then it retracts down in there. There you go. Okay, so, and there's her name there. And also what I got, because I want a new one of these, they had on sale a set of brushes. Usually the brushes are separate, sold separate. And I could have got them separate also, but it was cheaper. It was a better deal to get this set. This set was $12. And the foundation brush, I forgot to tell you, well, no, the Kabuki brush is $22 value. This set of 2 brushes that I paid $12 for sells, it sells for $40 regularly. The Kabuki is $22. The foundation is $18. That's how much they're valued at. And I paid $12 for both. So $40, I paid $12. So this is what my brush originally looked like. Full face powder brush, it says. And this is it now. And when you wash it, the color doesn't come out. It might get a little bit lighter, but it's, I use it a lot. You can see I love it. So it's beautiful. It's soft. So this will be not too long from now. It'll be like this. I just have had this for years, and I thought it's time to replace it. So that's what I'm doing. And it did come with this cover. If you want to protect it, you can put that on it. So that's what I got, and I paid $53. So I got the $76 kit and the $12 brush set that would have been then $88. I paid $53 for it because I got the $35 off. So we got the highlight and a foundation, a normal size foundation, a normal size highlight, a normal size blush. That's not it. This is it here. And a Kabuki brush. That is the kit. And they do have starter kits and that type of thing. And you can buy, different colors. And like I said, I have bought light, I've bought fair. When I first started using Laura Geller, I had been using Bare Minerals. And Bare Minerals, you use 2 different colors and you mix them together, basically is what you do. You take a little bit of one and a little bit of the other. So that's what I started doing with Laura Geller. So I have some fair and I have some light, I think are the colors that I have. I know I have 1 or 2 of these little compacts in my cabinet. So, but I will continue to use this until it's possible the next time I drop it, it's going to shatter. So I won't ever buy this again. It was a great deal. It was, like I said, it was a price of 2 or 2.5 or something like that of these, of the regular size. But it's so big, and I'm a dropper. So, that's why I wouldn't buy it again. If you sit down at your makeup table and leave these things at your makeup table, you'll be fine. But I'm in my bathroom and I, take it out of the cabinet and I'm standing over the sink and I drop everything. So I'm lucky it's still alive. But that's what I got, y'all. So thanks for stopping by and seeing my Laura Geller. And I highly, highly recommend it. I really enjoy it. I've never been fond of liquid bases because as a young person, I would just rain. I have always, not lately, but most of my life, I've been a heavy perspirer. So on a humid day, on a hot day, on a day, if it was just warm in the building that I was in, I would just perspire and rain. So foundation would just drip off of me. So I didn't ever like it. So I've always liked powders, and that's what I've always used. So and that I highly recommend Laura Geller. Now they do have some liquid foundations. They do have other products. They have a lot of beautiful products. So, you know, their lipsticks, and they have some very pretty eyeshadows as well. They have baked eyeshadows, which I've had before. I had a big giant container like this, and I gave it to someone because it was too big for where I store things. I never got to use it. But this I like, you know, and I think that might be the only palette I have of Laura Geller that I'm using. I think I have another one that we got in Boxy that I'm not using. And I'm not sure if I will use. It may go in a future giveaway. So that's everything, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings. Say a prayer for me, y'all. These cats, okay? Love y'all. Take care. Bye-bye. Count your blessings. Well, I know I ended this, but I never opened this retractable brush to show you. It says retractable airbrush Kabuki brush. It's different than this other one. This other one is the retractable angled Kabuki. I didn't know that I had two different ones. So this is the one I didn't show you. It's so thick and full. And my experience with Kabukis is that they're flat, but this is not flat. Had I known I was getting that, well, this is the one that came with this one. It's very similar to this. I could have used this. So now I have two great foundation brushes, and then I have this one. This I probably would carry with me maybe, or I have a fabulous blush brush. So I could use that for that, or this is good for contouring, you know, the shape of it and all. But I have two different ones. Didn't know it. So there they are. Thank y'all. Bye-bye.